I'm Neal Brown. I'm a technician associate and a drone pilot. I've been with the company about to be 2 years now. Um, so far as being a drone pilot, I truly find it as an awarding part of my job here with AEP, um, especially with it being something that we've just integrated into the company. Being able to be FAA certified to fly a drone, I think is really something I want to say incredible, but I also think it's going to help the company in the long run. The drones have been a great asset to us. I know we don't get to fly them as much as we would like just with weather conditions, but when we do get the chance to fly them, they cut hours off of assessment time, and I truly think they're a benefit to the company. Hang on tight. We are here. As you see, we have 8 crews right now trying to get service back to Dunbar, and they are working all over trying to help everybody as quick as we can, as safely as we can.